guys, what's going on? Ange here again. So I'm out here at Altona Skate Park. I've got my Maverick Quantum Flux and Saul's here as well. He's down there. And yeah, we're just gonna have a bit of a bash today. Sorry about the wind. It is crazy windy weather today, but oh, first tumble. Come on, there we go.
Oh, that wasn't a good start.
Oh, it's all good. Yes, thank you. Oh, it's very touchy on the brakes on this. Oh, for some reason.
Jump to the car. Yeah, I want the car to jump this way.
Oh, geez, there's no grip on these tires at all. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, look at that.
That's
Yeah,
so,
like it's a little bit of
yeah.
a handful.
Have a play, what do you think? It's still recording anyway.
Oh, what in the world? One of the wheels come off. I didn't get that on film either.
I probably did.
Snap
the shaft.
Snap the shaft?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, gee.
Snap the Oh well.
So they have weak axles.
Yeah, gonna have
weak
to
wheel
get
axles.
The more heavy duty ones.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
lucky you brought a couple different cars.
Yeah, mate. That's all right. All good. These dog bones or the CBDs, and we'll get some more high quality ones. And these tires as well. They don't like this kind of loose dirt surface. So probably better on the grass, but yeah, we'll see how we go. All right, time to get at my next car. And so bring out the next best thing I've got is my 29cc Baja. This thing is a noisemaker, so yeah, I'll try and put some music over the top of this one, and we'll see how we go with it. It's going to wake up the neighbours.
Got more punch here.
Yeah, I tuned it up a bit more.
One, go!
Nice.
Oh, how'd you make that? What in the world? I think I missed that with your camera. You're gonna have to do that again. I missed that with your camera. Clutch. Oh, he's done his clutch. Yep, done his clutch. Yep. Time to get the third and final car out.
All right, guys, so round 2, we are both out of action. So with mine, I've actually done the clutch. So I've got to strip all that down and see what's going on there. And with all the big jumps, it's actually helped me find where all the faults are and all the weak points are in the car. So with the front, you probably can't see it there, but I've got a little bit of a bent chassis to the left. And then, yeah, you can actually see it there where the left-hand control arm is just a little bit lower than the right one. So there is a weak point here. I'm going to have to suss that out. Clutch, and on Saul's, he's broken a screw on his motor mount, or on the motor, which has separated the motor from the pinion. So we are both out for round 2. And yeah, we're going to go round 3 and probably go to the skate park. What do you reckon? All right, guys, we're up to round 3. Saul's got his little Victor Mini, and I've got my Select 410. I've got a 4,000 kV motor in mine and just running it on 3S. This thing is a little weapon and it's high speed, so we're going to take it on the skate park this time. Let's rock and roll.
I don't really think 3S is like necessary in this car.
Yeah.
But it's definitely fun.
Oh.
3S is definitely necessary in that car though. That is awesome. Yeah, that thing's extreme.
All right, we're going to have a drag race.
Little 1/18 against little 1/18 against 110. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. And I wasn't even full throttle.
Yeah, neither was I.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Oh! Thought I was there.
Oh, you broke a shock.
Oh, it just popped out. Oh! Still on the wheels. That was awesome. Hey, watch the backflip. Watch the backflip. Yeah. Oh, braked just a little bit too early. Yeah, bad, isn't it? Go launch it off the top one if you want.
Oh, floaty. Man, that floats.
It's that headwind. It's just like, oh. Nice. Beautiful. On the wheels. Oh. Oh, nearly had it. Yeah, and that's me. Snap the lower swing arm. That's done. It's round 3, and we are out of action. Alright guys, me and Saul are done. We've had 3 rounds and all our cars are either broken or out of battery, but surprisingly the little Victor lasted the longest. So yeah, so we're going to get these fixed up and we'll come out another day when that weather's just that little bit better, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one.